Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unmute your Ford Focus radio. First, let's locate the primary volume controls. You'll typically find a large volume knob on your radio's center console. Simply turn this knob clockwise to increase the sound level. Alternatively, many Ford Focus models feature convenient volume buttons directly on the steering wheel. Press the volume up button repeatedly to restore audio. Sometimes, a dedicated mute button might have been pressed, so check for that too. Next, let's ensure your radio is set to the correct audio source. If you're expecting to hear the radio but it's set to CD or Bluetooth, you won't hear anything. Use the source or media button on your console to cycle through options like AM/FM radio, CD, USB, or auxiliary input. Also, double-check that no headphones are plugged into the auxiliary jack, as this often mutes the main speakers. Selecting the right source is a common fix for silent audio. If the previous steps haven't worked, a soft reset of your radio system might be necessary. For many Ford Focus models, you can achieve this by pressing and holding the radio's power button for about 10 seconds. This action can often resolve minor software glitches. If the issue persists, consider checking your vehicle's fuse box. A blown fuse for the audio system could be the culprit, preventing any sound from playing through the speakers. Consult your owner's manual for fuse box location. Finally, consider if your phone is actively connected via Bluetooth and perhaps routing audio elsewhere, or if a voice command system is engaged. Sometimes, an ongoing call or navigation prompt can temporarily mute other audio. If all else fails, your Ford Focus owner's manual is an invaluable resource, providing specific instructions for your exact model. Following these steps should help you successfully unmute your radio and enjoy your drive again. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.